हाय, वेलकम टू माई ब्लॉग ईट एंड ट्रैवल विद आयुष। आज हम लोग यारिया में हैं। ये अंगुल से नालको के बीचों बीच एक रेस्टोरेंट आता है। प्रीटी न्यू रेस्टोरेंट, अ वेरी गुड एम्बियंस। फॉर स्टार्टर्स वी हैव टेकन लाहौरी कबाब एंड प्रॉन पकौड़ा। आई एम जस्ट अवेटिंग फॉर माई स्टार्टर and the experience that this restaurant has to give us. So food has arrived. If when you look at the chicken, इसका बहुत अच्छा स्मेल है. It is very much aromatic and it has filled the entire restaurant with its beautiful smell. And look at this sauce or the mint chutney. It looks thin but it has good consistency. When you look at this prawn, from the outside it has a crispy coating. When you press it, you know it's soft from inside. Thanks. So just to give a little bit of more tasty to this prawn, we have ordered a handful of mayonnaise. Let's try this out with mayonnaise. It's beautiful. It's crispy from outside, soft from inside, and it has a lot of spiciness. With this mayonnaise, it is a great combo. Let's try this chicken. It's tender, it's piping hot. And when I take a first bite, the well marinated yogurt taste comes into my mouth. It's beautiful and worth the taste. So we are going to start with our lunch. हमने कुलचा मंगवाया है. With that, we came across this beautiful dish, chicken kebab masala. It's medium on spice and thick gravy, typical Indian dish that we all love to have. With this, we are going with this crispy prawn. ये वही था जिसे हम स्टार्टर में खाए. We kind of loved it at all. That's why हमने इसको फिर से रिपीट कर दिया. Let me have a bite of it and let's explore how is it. Wow, it's flavorful. It's much more than just butter and masala. It's a very fine made and it's very flavorful. Definitely worth the taste. If I taste the chicken pieces, yeah, काफ़ी सॉफ्ट और टेंडर है. वाह, कबाब की फीलिंग आ रही है and with that this thick gravy, it's give a very good taste. When you top up this कुलचा, बहुत सॉफ्ट है. हल्की सी फीलिंग है ये धनिया और दिस व्हाट डू से राई की. एंड ये ऑन इट इट्स अ वेरी गुड टेस्ट. और इस प्रॉन का बात क्या करें, it was previously also equally tasty. If you have it as it is, wow. इसका आउटसाइड से जो क्रिस्पीनेस है वही इसकी मोनोपोली है. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. आई एम डेफिनेटली अप इट. It's tasty, it's delicious, and it's worth the penny. Wow. Wow. It's beautiful. Look at the consistency. Wow. So we had a very good experience at this place. हमने 1100 रुपये दिए for 2 people eating out here. मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा प्राइसी था. If I have to rate it, something around 7.5 to 8. That's what my rating will be. But खाने का quality, the taste and the service is very good here. Definitely यहाँ पे आके एक बार try कीजिए the items that I had. I can guarantee that it was good. Rest all we are not able to cover it all because we are just 2 people out there. Still, we'll try to give you such more experiences in the future. If you want us to visit your place or any restaurant you want us to do, just let us know and we'll be right there. We'll be sending you the location of this place in the description box. Keep watching us, keep loving us, and do share your feedback below. Thank you. Bye-bye.